Четвертый класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание, урок 33, часть 1, страница 72-73. English Starlight for homework, lesson number 43, part number 1, page number 72-73. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 72. 72. Our world. Exercise number 1. Match the money to the country. Соедини деньги со страной. Euros and cents, Germany. Dollars and cents, the USA. Pounds and pence, the UK. Euros and cents, Germany. Dollars and cents, USA. Pounds and pence, UK. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Try the money quiz. Read and choose A or B. Check your answers with your teacher. Попробуй выполнить викторину про деньги. Прочитай и выбери A или B. Проверь свои ответы с учителем. Number 1. A piece of round metal money is called a coin. Number 2. A piece of paper money is called a note. B. Number 3. The symbol for a dollar is B. Number 4. A quid is another word for a pound. Number 5. How many pence are in a pound? The answer B. 100. Number 6. Another word for a dollar is the answer A. Buck. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Imagine that you've got your own country. Design your own money. Представь, что у тебя есть собственная страна. Нарисуй свои собственные деньги. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 73. 73. My world. Exercise number 4. Read and complete the sentences. Прочитай и закончи предложение. The answer. 10, 100, k, 150. Russian coins are from 1 kopek to 10 rubles. There are 100 kopeks to 1 ruble. In Russia, the ruble has got the symbol of R, as it is the first letter in the Russian spelling of ruble. Kopeks have the symbol of K, as it is the first letter in the Russian spelling of kopek. The way to write 100 rubles and 50 kopecks is 150. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 5. Read the poem and complete. Прочитай стих и закончи. The answer: number 1, euro. Number 2, pound. Number 3, ruble. Money in my pocket. A jingle jangle sound. 100 cents. 1 euro. 100 pence. 1 pound. 100 kopecks. 1 ruble. A jingle jangle sound. Money in my pocket makes the world go round. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.